Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Sitting here at the park today with my kids. He's over there, swinging. And I'm thinking I have a little get together tonight. I have it's a Winesgiving. And I think I'll take them a pumpkin flan. So I'm gonna take you with me, maybe to the party, but definitely to the kitchen. And we're gonna get some fall recipes started. The pumpkin flan is gonna be delicious. So I'll be back with you later on today and I'll show you how we do it. Okay guys, here we go. We're putting in the cream cheese. It's just a matter of dropping it all in the blender. We have our 6 eggs. One can of evaporated milk. 1 can of condensed milk. Half a cup of milk. And your cup of pumpkin puree. Cinnamon, tiny bit of nutmeg, little pinch of salt, teaspoon of vanilla. Never measure vanilla. Oh, se acabó, mira. And now we blend. Voila, all blended. Okay, so we're gonna make the caramel, and for that you need a cup of white sugar, and I like to put in a 1/4 cup of water, just a little bit. Mix it up, and once the sugar is dissolved in the water, I leave it the heck alone because too much mixing makes it crystallize. And so that's it. I'm gonna leave it alone until it starts bubbling and it turns to a caramelly amber color. We have done this before on the coconut flan video, which that coconut flan is so amazing if you haven't seen it. So let's wait for this to boil and I'll show you what it needs to look like as soon as I achieve the color. Okay, we're almost there. See that? Almost. 1 more minute. It happens so quickly. All right, I think that's where I like it. Here we go. Into our pan it goes. Wait, can you see it? Let me make sure. All right, remember what I told you last time, hot lava. Be so careful. Oh. And now we're going to spread it. Spread it until it coats as much of the pan as possible. See that? Now we're going to let it cool. And then we're going to put our custard in and stick it in the oven in a baño de María, a water bath. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and we're going to pour the custard into the pan now. I had every intention of running it through a strainer while I was pouring it, but I completely forgot. So I recommend that you do it. Do as I say, not as I do. Here I put it in a deep pan that is oven safe and it's in a water bath, un baño de María, so that it will cook through evenly. In she goes at 350 degrees. It should take between an hour to an hour and a half, After an hour, poke it with a knife, and if it comes out clean, that's how you know you're done. Okay, so she has been in the fridge all night, and this is the part que me acaba con los nervios. This is the part that makes me nervous. We're gonna flip this little baby. Here we go. Ay, ay, ay. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All over the table, but that's okay. There it goes, plop. Did you see it? Okay. Here we go. Yay! Ta-da! Mira que lindo. This is going to be so yummy. I can't wait to take it to my friends, and I'm going to take you with me. These are some of my longtime friends, some of them from childhood. It is going to be a great night. It is creamy. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, look at this deliciousness. It is very creamy, guys. Let's taste test. Okay, guys, 1, 2, 3.
It's actually very good. Thank you. No, we'll do it.
What?
Is it good?
It's delicious. Very creamy. Delicious.
What a fun night with my girls. It came out so yummy. Despite their practical joke, they really did love it. Creamy and delicious. I'll be back with some more fall recipes next week, and soon to come Nochebuena recipes. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and hit the little bell if you don't want to miss my videos. Besitos to all.